Hello everybody, welcome to the Triple T trading platform. Right here on the trading platform today with me, we're going to look at life hacks, different life hacks and examples from my life personally on how to properly manage your money. Yep, we're looking at money management. Trust me, money management is something that every trader needs to get a hang of. If you can't get a hang of that, trust me, you're gone. Money management will save you from ruin on the forex exchange. It will save you from ruin from any type of trading that you can actually encounter. In trading, money management is the foundation on which your career is built. Money management is like a strategy that gives you stability and form during your trading. Okay, you don't just go about trading like guessing and into a jackpot. No, it doesn't work that way. Every and single time you do a trade, you have to be aware of everything that you are doing at that point in time. It's like going to the gym. You go to the gym, you exercise, you keep fit, you practice and the like. Money management helps you to acquire stability when you are trading, and also it helps you keep profits. Trust me, it helps. Money management is a strategy based on certain rules and methods. We all need stability. Stability is one of the most key points when it comes to trading and also your physical form. You know, when you go to the gym, you always try to keep your body fit and stable at all times. It's the same thing when it comes to trading. You don't just go about guessing your way into getting a jackpot. Okay? No, it doesn't work that way. So stability is a key factor when it comes to trading, and you can get stability through money management. With money management, you can even earn higher profits even though the number of unprofitable trades are more than the number of profitable ones. So without money management, it's almost impossible to trade steadily and profitably. A lot of novices have got this idea that they can find a certain strategy, a 100% strategy that they'll be able to trade, and this strategy is a strategy that nobody has discovered, and so they'll be able to trade and get profits and all that. But whilst they're trying to discover it, their account is getting drained. And during all these losses, in the mind of a trader, it's like, why do I need a stop loss? I mean, it's going in the right direction. Or maybe they're like, I'm confident in this position, I'll bet all my money in this. Or maybe they're like, I think I must have stopped it on the too soon. I need to add some more in the same position. Or maybe they're like, oh my gosh, I lost 50%. Okay, now that I've become a good trader, become a professional, this is my time. I'm going to bet all my money since I need to catch up. Or others be like, the larger the deposit, the larger the profits I can earn. And instead of all these thoughts, ordinary mortals have already quit that idea of trying to find a super mega effective strategy. All they do is just follow the simple steps of money management. Jesse Livermore is said to be the founder of money management. Basically, it's just a set of rules that traders strictly follow. And it takes a lot of willpower not to succumb to emotions, greed, and you know what happens in trading. So let's look at the rules of money management. Number 1, don't lose money. Always make sure you open trades, different trades, a lot of them. Okay, if you're opening a trade in a certain direction, make sure you open in parts, open just small parts, so that if you lose this trade, you only lose a small part of it. Rule number 2 of money management, guys, is the stop loss. Make sure you should always put a stop loss. Now, stop loss is calculated based on your deposit and the volatility of the instrument. Livermore himself used to always make sure he does not risk more than 10% of his total capital. Guys, but for me, in my case, I'm very cautious. I always make sure it's less than 5%. Okay, so stop loss is a key there. Traders should struggle with the desire to be in a position regularly. That's what Livermore himself believed in. Okay, so the third rule right there is to keep money in reserve, guys. Don't always put money in your accounts and on your deposit. Make sure you keep some money as cash. Maybe find some other investment opportunities rather than always opening a position. And the fourth rule of money management, guys, is allow the profits to grow. It is necessary to keep unprofitable positions as short as possible, but profitable ones should always let them go as long as possible. Okay, and of course, if you are that greedy, you could always be like, oh, let me open another position, and then you do that. It also works, but always make sure to keep them long going and keep the short ones short. Okay, the unprofitable ones, keep them short. And of course, guys, make sure abstain for a week at least. After you lose everything in your deposit, abstain from trading for just a week. Okay, it gives you that time to just think consciously about what happened, analyze everything until you get it right the next time. And in addition to the fourth rule, guys, always make sure you keep the ratio of your profit to loss 2 to 1. Okay, it's as good as it gets. That's just as good as it gets. Just 2 to 1 right there. And the fifth and final rule is that, guys, when you make a big profit, try to convert 50% into cash. Okay, don't keep it all and invest it all again. Okay, convert the other 50% into cash, and this is gonna help you out. Maybe, I don't know, start up another business or something like that. I remember there was a time in my life when I didn't follow 3 of those rules. So basically, these rules are not really needed until you lose everything. So it was 4 years ago, on my favorite assets, the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, so if you can see from the figure, it hit the resistance line many times and it went back. Okay, but on the very fateful day, May the 16th, it broke through. One of the most popular strategies is to open a deal when the resistance line becomes a support line, you know, because the price will continue going in that direction. So guess what? I opened the deal. So I didn't just open any type of deal. Like, I completely put my entire deposit on this very deal, and I didn't put a stop loss. So even when the deal went the wrong direction, I was so confident that it would go back. I mean, come on, it's a proven fact, right? It's a proven strategy. Everybody knows this strategy. So yeah, so from the charts, you can see where the price went to, and I actually lost all my deposit. I hope that this example serves as a very good eye-opener for you guys to know how money management is very important in comes to trading and the like. Okay, I hope to hear from you guys. Please send us your comments and experience on how and what happened when you didn't follow the laws of money management. Okay, I'll be very glad to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.